National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for Milwaukee County in southeast Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 2:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain is expected by 3:30 p.m. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bayside, Brown Deer, Cudahy, downtown Milwaukee, Fox Point, Franklin, Glendale, Greendale, Greenfield, Hales Corners, Oak Creek, South Milwaukee, St. Francis, Wauwatosa, West Tallis, West Milwaukee, Whitefish Bay, Milwaukee County Zoo, Milwaukee Home Bridge, Milwaukee International Airport, Milwaukee Timmerman Airport, River Hills and on Milwaukee campus. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams